I'm legit. Banana. How sweet is gnarly. Hari. Like a bag. On the ship. On the ship. Happy baby chocolate. On the chat. On the chat. Gnarly. Gaya, uy. Drinking. Bago na siya. Okay na siya, dahil. Play na. No, I don't wanna buy that one. That's disgusting. Maliit na siya like. I'm legit. Oo, haman ka.
Ha?
Dili ka matulog ka. Dili ka matulog. Ay, bitch. Yes. No. I don't eat poop. Tubol. Oh my gosh, na ni pag-join.
Man? Man, June ko ya?
Dimensional clock card. I don't want more Marga. Okay.
As a home island.
Okay. Okay. Try it. Okay. So how do we do this? Take it. Wait, I can take it. Oh, you can only pick one. Ay, sorry sa kung pagka-sound. Okay. Loy, bad kay ko ani. Bridget. Claim an island. Okay, this one. I want. My God, this is so cool. Ouch! Oh my gosh, namatay ako from another base. Base lagi. Four. Where do I go? I don't have black. Bro. Oh my. Oh, do I die? Now do it for real. See you guys. Pag gusto mo join na lang. Everyone. Ayo, apil. Makapil. Uy, ako to i-mute. Daga ka. Shut up. You're ugly. Okay. Kaya, modified world. Paano niya siya, ito na siya. Madami doon. Ang Minecraft. Mga 1.2. Bago na siya nga room na dulaan. First time na ako dulaan. Let's go. Katulog na kanina pa. Katulog na. Nasa na nagiging sa kwarto ng TikTok. Hindi. Kanina na. Dapat. Dira, mo ato ko dira sa kwarto. Okay? Dugay ka. Liro, itapad na ako. Itapad na ako. Pagid ka. Pagid ka. Pagid. 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 Pagid ka. Yes, Francis. Butan mo dira sa Let's go. Okay. What do we do here? Oh my gosh, what they're doing? What they're doing? Tap to view. Oh, di ko paluan na. Oh, ay, first time din ako na naka-wondering nga dola. Nga dolas. What is this thing? Why cannot I pick him? Oh my gosh. Guys, how do you play this game? Oh my gosh. Hindi ko siya mga buwan ang mga features. Ay, ko balo. Bubo ka. Bubo ka. Ang bulak-lak. Papasok ang bahay. Oh, nga ba? Oh. Hello. Oh my gosh. Wait. Nanay mo, join na mo, huy. Nine, kulangan tag 1% alive. Ah! Maglisod ko jump. Jump, jump, jump. I can do this, come on. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was close, close, close. Close, close, close. Oh my gosh. Wait, let me change my things. Touch. Customize control. Size. Big, big. I don't need that. It's small. It's supposed to be small. Small like you guys. You guys are small. Oh my gosh, my hand just moved by itself. Self-defense. Whee! I just really should go yun. Ako dito. Oh my gosh, I just lost my win. Mawen. Mawen. Maui. Guys, did you watch the movie that is called Moana? Moana. It's so good. I just watch it. Oh my gosh, how can I keep missing it? You stop scratching your back. Your and your I don't know what is that called that dogs have. It's like so it's like little thing. Like pets, pets, pets. Ew. Natutingog silang kwan. Puro sila parkour din. Pero ang guli mo, mo, ikapatay na ganiya. Yaba pa yun. Nanigamay nung players. Dugayan mo kay Manilod. Come on, focus. Oh my god, almost like that. I couldn't say that. Why did I swear? I can't swear. Supposed to be no swearing. Okay, how do you pick the booster? I was kidding. Cosmetic store. So lagi. Lagi. How do you buy mine coin? I couldn't buy one. Buy one, take one. Open battle pass. I don't have battle pass. Positive. Positive ka rin. Bakit? Huwag elok. Francis na to. Uy, lagay na. Bigaan ni. Say that. That's not. Close menu, please. Wait, kailangan lang ko 2 players ba? Please. I only one player got knocked out. Take one on your... Libog po. Ang TV na po ay kininin niya. This is all your fault. Because that I was gonna die there. I'm gonna be extra careful. 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 To try not to die. In time. So, sorry guys. Naboring nga lagi chuk. Kay boring kayo mo. Hey guys, sabi taman. Sa red ba? Lisod kayo. Yaga kayo. I have tried dead ones and it was so incredible. And I want to play again so bad. But I just want to try this new game that they made called Clash Dimension Clash. Clash. Classical. Magical. Taman here is Taman here. Taman here is Taman here. Taman here. Guys, I wanna go. Pretty girl walk like this. Pretty girl walk like this. This, this, this. Yeah! Oh my gosh. I actually did it. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself. Sorry. What happened? Oh, ano? Thanks for a twist. Wait, wait. Where do I choose? I want the red one. Please. Battle begin. How do I pick this up? I only one thing. You have to left one thing. Wait, can you can press down, right? Oh my gosh, you're so slow. I didn't know it was that simple. Here, please, come here. Come here. It's over here. We can take this island. Oh my gosh. There's someone to be. Oh my gosh, the purple just keeps telling everything. Every breath. I died. I'm so bad. Respawning in. Jump plus sneak to select respawn. Mana? Respawn guys. Happy now? Happy now? Sige. Siga ako hinay kayo siya mulihok. Baka ng patyon to karon. Pagkauban. Oh my gosh, we have our own thing. We can now have our own little staircase. Get out. Wait, I can steal someone's essence. Essence, right? Oh my, why? Why? Why me? Why me? Why? Oh my gosh, guys. Mind you're trying to collect an essence. Oh my gosh. No, I'm so bad. Like, I can't even play games. So, if I'm gonna do this whole city. Sorry. Sorry. Mind your shrine. It's in that direction. Wait, they have the, my gosh. I'm just gonna slowly do this. Do not die. Rock you. Undang ko, undang ko. Bye guys. Bye. It's in the end of it. Bit.